Let's run and see how our macro will work. The shortcut of our recorded macro is Ctrl+Shift+S. Let's press the shortcut. As you can see, within fraction of seconds we are able to populate serial number to our table, and also the columns are auto-adjusted as well. I am also a non-programmer and can help you learn this macro in just 5 minutes. It just need a simple tweak and you are done. We will start from scratch. Microsoft Excel macros for beginners and non-programmers. We will record a macro which will populate the serial numbers to any length of table and adjust the columns. Let's start. First, let's activate the Developer tab, which is used for macros. In any top ribbon, just right-click and choose Customize the ribbon option. On the right side box below View option, just check Developer option. Click OK. Now you have Developer option on your ribbon. Now let's try adding a macro, which will help in adding serial numbers to our data. Let's record a macro for generating serial numbers and formatting the table. Follow the same way as I am doing for now. Remember, every step in Excel is recorded. After writing the macro name, we can give a shortcut which will trigger the macro when pressed with combinations. Let's type S with Shift pressed on keyboard. There is a stop recording button at the bottom status bar and on Developer tab. Let's perform the action. First, select the first column A. Then insert a column. Type heading as per your choice on A1. Then write 1 on cell A2. On cell A3 type a formula. Equals A2 plus 1. Which means this cell will add 1 to the upper serial number and so on. Then select cell B4, press Ctrl plus down arrow key. Then press left arrow key once. Then select the columns from bottom to top by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus up arrow key. Then press Ctrl plus D to duplicate the formula to the bottom. Then select Complete Worksheet, by click on the corner of row and column heading. Then press shortcut Alt plus O and C and A to auto-adjust columns. That is it, click Stop Recording. Now we need to Visual Basic application to check and edit the code a bit. Click on Visual Basic on Developer tab or press Alt plus F11. Then go to Modules and choose Current Module. In this code there is one issue, due to which our code will only populate 10 row numbers only. On top you can see the macro name and keyboard shortcut we have given. Green text code means they are only for information purposes only. On code line number 11, the code gets stuck. Just above this cell we have given our code command to go to the bottom cell, then in next code it comes back to cell A11. After going to the bottom we need the left cell to be activated. It could be A11 or A10,000 based on the length of the table. So we remove the 11th line code and on 10th line we add dot, offset, bracket open, 0, comma, -1, bracket close, dot, select. Then close the editor and run the code on any data. We are done. To get this code, click on the link in description and check VBA for beginners video description. This is how we record a macro and edit it. Understanding the code and becoming an editor needs practice. We hope you have learned something new in this session. Happy learning!